In today's video, I am going to show you 3 professional ways to change colors in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you are adjusting a photo, modifying specific colors in an image, or applying a new look to your logo and text, these methods will speed up your workflow significantly. If this video helps you master your editing skills, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Let's dive in. First, we have the hue and saturation method, which is the most common and effective way to change overall colors quickly. After opening your image in Photoshop, head to the top menu, click on Image, then select Adjustments and choose Hue and Saturation. A dialog box will appear where you can move the hue slider to cycle through colors. Use the saturation slider to adjust the intensity of the color, and use the lightness slider if you need to fine-tune the brightness of that color. Once everything looks perfect, just click OK. This method is incredibly fast for global color adjustments. Next up is the Replace Color feature, which is perfect when you need to target one specific color while leaving the rest of the image unaffected. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Replace Color. You will see an eyedropper tool icon. Use this to click the exact color in your image that you want to alter. After selecting the color, move the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders until you achieve the shade you desire. This allows you to surgically swap colors without altering the rest of the composition. Then simply hit OK to finalize. Finally, for designers working with logos, shapes, or text, the best method is the Color Overlay Layer style. Look at your Layers panel and click on the specific layer you want to change. At the bottom of the panel, click the FX icon to open layer styles, then select Color Overlay from the list. A menu will pop up where you can pick any new color from the color picker, adjust the blend mode, and modify the opacity. This is a non-destructive way to change colors, and it gives you extreme control over your design elements. Just click OK to apply the effect. By using these 3 methods, you can tackle any color change scenario in Photoshop with ease. If this video helped you improve your design process, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more 2026 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.